Hello everyone, how are you all? If you have clicked on this video, that means you are in the search for best IELTS coaching in Aurangabad. So here we are, instituterank.com, providing you the knowledge of which are the best coaching classes in Aurangabad for clearing IELTS examination. So if you want to know which are the best coaching classes in Aurangabad for IELTS, please keep on watching this video till the end. So in rank number 1 would be Plutus Academy. The Plutus Academies are one of the finest online learning platform aimed to provide educational services at a very low rate. Plutus Academy and they are determined to make students achieve their goals. They provide educational assistance for different courses such as IELTS, PTE, GMAT, etc. Their teachers and managers dive into the concept and make it easier and more understandable to the student. They also provide educational and visa consultancy services to the candidates. Plutus Academy offers online coaching mode and also all the necessary details are mentioned in this website. Rank number 2 would be the Hindu Zone Academy. The Hindu Zone Academy is an also online institute providing educational courses to all over India. They have the topmost faculty of India giving recorded and live lectures for the enrolling students. The counselors understand the expectations of the student with their passion and suggest them the best courses with their scope in future. They also help the candidates and their family to arrange financial funds. Their address, contact details, all the necessary details are mentioned. Rank number 3 would be Yojna Academy. Yojna Academy also provides education online for the different courses including IELTS, PTE, GMAT, etc. They focus more on building confidence, understanding concepts, and communicating in English. They also offer different reading resources from e-library. All the necessary details about it are mentioned in this list. Rank number 4 would be Arzu Education Consultants. Arzu Education Consultants are the leading group of consultants in Aurangabad known for its best immigration services. The group has together aimed to provide the best future for its aspiring students striving for a best future. They have 4 to 5 batches of IELTS coaching out with the best results because of the impeccable faculty members. Their address and all the necessary details are mentioned. Rank number 5th in this list would be Diamond Institute for Spoken English. Diamond Institute of Spoken English definitely works upon your English speaking skills. They also prepare candidates for overseas education services. They offer tuition for different examinations such as IELTS, PTE, GMAT, GRE, etc. They also offer various facilities like visa consultancy, immigration services, etc. So these are the few coaching classes which instituterank.com has provided to us, and let know of the other coaching classes you should definitely visit this website called instituterank.com. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.